ways to cook rice. I have many ways I'm using to cook rice. One is I use lentils, and then I have a cup of rice, and then we'll mix these lentils. The lentils I soak for an hour, just so it will cook together with the rice. I have 1 cup of soaked lentils, and then I add it to cup of rice. Okay, and then I'll put water, like cooking rice usually. Ayan, simulan na natin pakuluin. Kapag kumukulo na, hahaluin po natin. Here we go. Haluin natin. Kumukulo na. Haluin natin. Yan ang kanin ko pag naluto. Rice with lentils. Alright, here's my rice now. It's now done. I'm getting ready to get some. Ayan na ang kanin ko. Sumuusok pa. Mainit-init pa. Umuusok pa. Kain na tayo. Ayan, ampalaya and pampano. Kain na tayo. Kain. Kain na. What we gonna do today Today I'll show you how I cook my rice with carrots. Napakaganda ng carrots. Carrots has beta-carotene. We will rice it, and then we'll add it to sinaing. Ilalagay natin sa ating sinaing ang carrots. Let's do it. Normally, ginagadgad ko tong carrots but today, we'll try and use this ricer. We'll see kung tatalab siya. First time kong gamitin ang ricer sa carrots. The last time I did this, I used gadgaran. Ginagadgad ko siya. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin ng ricer ko. Medyo inihiwa ko ng maliliit para hindi mahirapan. Siyempre, hinugasan ko muna itong carrots. Kailangan huhugasan muna yung carrots. Pero, hindi ko na siya binabalatan. Hindi natin siya binabalatan. Pwede na sigurong hindi masyadong maliliit, pero baka kasi hindi kayanin ng blades. Try natin. If not, ibig sabihin next time talagang gagadgarin lang siya. Dati kasi ginagadgad ko pero parang masyadong maliliit pagka pagadgad. I-try lang muna natin. Let's try it. Iwanan muna natin yung isa. Tingnan natin. Oh, mukhang kaya. Oh. Oh, mukhang kaya naman. Isama na natin tong isa. So, carrot. Lagyan natin ng carrots. Carrots, 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 carrots. Alright, let's look at it now. Alright, seems it's already good.
I gotta turn the water off.
Okay, so let's wash 2 cups of rice. And then we will wash it and lalagyan ng tubig. As usual, kung paano magsaing. Now, kapag kumukulo na, papakita ko sa inyo, ilalagay ko naman ang carrots. So, my rice this week is a carrot rice. Yan, medyo nagbabawas tayo ng carb, pero hindi pwedeng walang kanin. Kaya ginagawa natin ang paraan. Bumaba ng konti yung carb. Kaya dadagdagan natin ng carrots. Alright? Okay, so I have added the carrots and then mix it a little bit and let it simmer hanggang sa mainin. Na ang ating rice with carrots. Sinin pa natin ng konti. Malapit nang maluto. Good morning, good morning, good morning! Today is Saturday. We're going to cook rice with cauliflower. Cauliflower, guys. Let's remove this hard portion. Let's take a look. This is good already. We can combine this to the rice. Now, what I'm gonna do is do a little bit more. All right, let's prepare now our rice. Prepare our rice. Okay, and I'm gonna wash it. Rice is washed. Cook it like Filipino way. Measure the water. Okay, and let's put it in the stove. I'll show you later. Kuluin natin until it's almost cooked. And then we add the cauliflower. Kumukulo na. Lagay na natin ang cauliflower. Haluin natin ng konti and then takpan natin para mainin siya. Yan na guys, iininin natin ng konti pa. And then, pwede na tayong mag-breakfast. Here's the cooked rice. Let's look at it. There you go. Rice with cauliflower. Alright, now let's cook quinoa. I have here quinoa. This is a multicolored quinoa. When cooking quinoa, we need, for 1 cup of quinoa, we need 2 cups of water. In preparing quinoa, we have to boil 2 cups of water per 1 cup of quinoa. So let's boil water for now. I have 2 cups of water and let's boil it. Right there. Let's wait for it to boil. Now, while waiting, we will get 1 cup of quinoa and we will wash it. We will put the washed quinoa soon as the water boils. Here's 1 cup of quinoa. I'm gonna wash it and then we'll put it in the boiling water. The water is boiling now. Let's put the quinoa while it's boiling. Here's the quinoa. I already washed it. There you go. Let's start cooking the quinoa. We'll get back to it later. Here's our quinoa rice. It's now ready for lunch. Ngayon guys, gagawa ako ng repolyo na ihahalo ko naman sa sinaing. Alam nyo guys, medyo nagbabawas tayo ng carb. So lahat ng paraan na pwedeng gawin at makakain, ginagawa natin. Ngayon, hindi tayo pwedeng walang rice. Lagi tayong may rice. So, ang ginagawa ko, dinadagdagan ko ng repolyo ang kanin ko. Parang hindi tayo makakain or hindi tayo mabusog kapag walang kanin. So, kailangan kanin pa rin. Kahit medyo nagbabawas tayo ng carb dahil sa high blood. So, I'll show you now. Gawin natin ang repolyo na ilalagay naman natin sa sinaing. So, hinihiwa ko siya ng ganyan. Tapos, nilalagay ko siya sa ricer. Ito. Yan. Ganyan. Okay. Tapos, okay natin yan. And presto. Okay, tama na siguro yan. Tingnan natin. Ayan guys. Ayan. Pwede na natin siyang isama sa sinaing. Ayan. Siguro medyo paliitin ko pa ng konti. Liitin pa natin. Ayan, mas maganda na siya. So, magsaing tayo guys. Dalawang cups lang siguro. Dalawang cups, pang ilang araw na natin yan. Di katulad sa Pilipinas, marami tayong kasalo. Dito, 2 cups. Kung minsan, 2, 3 araw yan. Isasaing natin siya the usual way. And then, bago maluto, ilalagay natin, or habang kumukulo, ilalagay natin ang ating repolyo. So, ayan na guys, hinugasan natin yung bigas. Salang na natin. Parang nagluluto lang ng kanin. Kaya lang, ang kaibahan lang, idadagdag natin ang repolyo kapag kumukulo na. Tamang-tamang tubig lang para maluto yung bigas. Kasi pag nilagay ang repolyo, parang nag-a-add siya ng kaunting tubig. Kasi may juice yung repolyo that adds juice to the rice. Okay? And then we'll go back when it's boiling. Ayan guys, kumukulo na. So, ilagay na natin ang repolyo. Ito siya guys. guys, ayan na yung kanin natin with repolyo. Iin-inin na lang natin. Repolyo! Yay! Ready to eat!